Watching others solve the cross can provide valuable insights. Once you have your cross, we're ready for the next layer. This is a significant milestone in your Rubik's Cube journey. Section 4, Step 2. Mastering the first two layers. Cross complete? Great. Now let's dive into solving the first two layers, often referred to as F2L. This is where the puzzle really starts to come together and you can see significant progress. To begin, we need to find a corner piece that has your cross color and two other colors that match the centerpieces of the adjacent sides. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the rest of the solve. Once you've identified the correct corner piece, the next step is to use specific algorithms, which are sequences of moves, to place the corner piece in its correct position. This will complete one corner of the cross. These algorithms might seem complex at first, but with practice, they will become second nature. Repeat this process for the other three corners of your cross color. Each corner you solve brings you one step closer to completing the first two layers. As you work through each corner, remember to stay patient and methodical. It's easy to get frustrated, but persistence is key. The algorithms might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. There are many resources available online that break them down step by step. Websites, videos, and tutorials can provide you with the guidance you need. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the faster you'll become. Over time, you'll develop muscle memory and the algorithms will become more intuitive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be solving the first two layers with ease. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With dedication and practice, you'll master the first two layers and be ready to tackle the final layer. Keep going and happy solving. Section 5, Step 3. Orienting the last layer. 2 layers down, 1 to go. This step is all about getting the last layer pieces facing the right way. First, orient the edges. Use algorithms to get all the edge pieces on the last layer oriented correctly. This means the top color of the edge piece should match the center color of the top layer. Next, do the same for the corners, making sure all 4 corner pieces on the top layer have their top color facing up. This step might feel a bit like magic, but it's all about learning and applying the right algorithms. Again, there are many resources available to help you. Section 6, Step 4, Permuting the final pieces. The final stretch, we're almost there. Now we just need to put the last layer pieces in their correct positions. First, position the edges. Use algorithms to move the edge pieces on the last layer until they are all in their correct positions, aligning with their corresponding center colors on the sides. Finally, use algorithms to move the corner pieces on the last layer into their correct positions. And there you have it. You've solved the Rubik's Cube. Take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Remember, mastering the Rubik's Cube takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing, use the resources available, and most importantly, have fun.